Every major tech revolution starts when someone dares to look at an industry standard and say, we can do better. Greater than? This is the Koopman VTOL revolution. For decades, the drone industry has settled for the status quo, relying on rigid, outdated control systems to fight dynamic, chaotic environments. Today, we are tearing up the old playbook. By fusing physics-informed data science, custom high-performance hardware, and modular field-tested design, we aren't just building another drone. We are unlocking the future of autonomous, intelligent flight. Look at this airframe. It's the Flightory Stallion VTOL. While consumer drones waste massive amounts of battery just trying to stay brute force suspended in midair, this platform utilizes pure aerodynamic lift. But we didn't stop at the default build. We short-circuited the traditional design limits to create a robust, modular payload system beneath the fuselage, capable of carrying heavy, uncompromised 360-degree lenses or cinema-grade cameras. It delivers sports car speed with the stability of a commercial aircraft, transforming how we capture extreme cinematic action over the shifting winds of the open ocean. To master the chaos of nature, your hardware geometry must be elegant. The Stallion operates on a classic tri-motor configuration, but here is the secret weapon: vectored tilt-rotor mechanics. Yaw control in hover isn't achieved by slowing down motors. It's done by physically tilting the front propulsion axes up to 15 degrees. This simple mechanical advantage creates highly responsive multi-axis thrust. It allows the platform to literally slice through turbulent ground effects and coastal crosswinds, ensuring pinpoint vertical takeoffs and soft, stable landings anywhere on Earth. When you line it up against the current market standards, the difference isn't incremental, it's a generational leap. While retail options like the HoverAir AQUA trap you in an integrated, fixed environment with standard PID loops and fragile optical tracking, our platform rewrites the rules. We replaced rigid equations with a data-driven Koopman Operator, linearizing chaotic wind profiles through high-dimensional matrices. Powered by a master-slave computing stack, where a Jetson Nano or Pi 5 acts as the AI brain, commanding an ESP32-S3 real-time muscle, and tracked via absolute custom iPhone telemetry, we've engineered a system that delivers unmatched wind resilience, modular camera freedom, and flawless subject tracking. This is no longer a concept. The math is proven. The hardware is ready. Welcome to the next era of flight. As the sun sets here over Bang Saen Beach, it marks the end of another day. But for us, it's just the dawn of a new era in flight dynamics. What you've seen today is proof that when you bridge the gap between pure aerodynamics, custom hardware, and advanced data science, the impossible becomes reality. We have successfully proven the theory. The muscle is calibrated, the math is locked in, and the sky is no longer a limit. Next up, we take this platform from the simulation loop straight into the wild coastal winds for real-world stress testing. If you want to see this DIY Koopman VTOL push the absolute limits of autonomous flight and change cinematic tracking forever, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment with your thoughts below, and join us on this journey. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. Clear skies and fly smart.